Hey, welcome to Cedar Park Middle School.
Hello.
Let's have some fun. Let's go on a tour.
Thanks for having us.
This is our Principal Student Advisory Committee. And I wanted to introduce you guys to them because these guys are the leaders of the school. These guys are the kids that have a voice, and I thought it'd be great for them to help lead us today. So the first thing I would like to do is I would just like to ask you guys, what is this Principal Student Advisory Committee? Like, what's your favorite part about it?
We get to share ideas and spread it around the school and make it a better place.
Yeah, we get to actually make a difference, and you can see the teachers actually actively trying to listen to what we're saying. It's really cool.
I can see the improvements we've made going around the school, and I get to see the changes that we make, and that's really cool.
It's just fun to interact with just all these guys and just get to hang out with them also during our meetings. It's just fun with them.
This courtyard is brand new to our campus this year, and it worked out great for COVID, but it also is a great place for students to sit during lunch. And we also have a garden club.
So we're in the gardening club. I'm actually the president. So it's a student-led club. Right now we're about to clean up the gym courtyard. Out here we've beautified it a little bit. We took out a lot of the weeds. And then we planted a lot of different new plants, and we also mulched the trees over there in those corners. And then for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday in the mornings, right before school, we're also going to clean this up so it looks a little nicer.
Today we're going to go into the STEM classroom. It's the first year of STEM for 6th graders in CPMS. Let's go in here.
He's a natural.
Hi everybody, welcome to our STEM class. We're in our civil engineering unit. And in civil engineering, we have bridges and roads and things that don't move. So we've learned about compression and tension and all kinds of forces. You want to ask them what kind of a bridge? Ask the kids what kind of a bridge we're making and why?
Hey, what type of bridge are we making and why?
We're doing the truss bridge because it has triangles, and triangles are the strongest shape.
Why are triangles the strongest shape?
Because they have 3 sides and 3 angles.
And what happens when you put force on a vertex of a triangle?
It gets spread out.
It gets spread out, that's right.
We are with Miss Sharma in the newscasting room, and we're going to learn more about it. Miss Sharma, so what would you say is the process of making newscasts for multimedia?
I think part of it was really getting you guys on board with showing you some mentor footage from the high school, and then finding all of y'all's hidden talents. You're a natural on camera, so putting you in front of the camera was a no-brainer to me. But there are some who are better at filming, and as we know, you're going to meet Reed in just a minute. He's brilliant with editing.
So speaking of Reed, hi Reed, how are you today?
I am doing pretty good. I am kind of nervous about this, but it's fun. It's a cool camera right there.
Yeah, it's a great camera. Okay, so Reed, what is your favorite process of making a news video or whatever?
Well, I don't. Here, can I take this? Yep. Cool. I edit with Adobe Premiere Pro, and they have these cool little presets. And Miss Sharma kind of taught us a little bit about that. We also sometimes are tasked to create segments about just PSAs for walking in the hallway safely, or PSAs on if we had a canned food drive, we produced a whole series of segments and advertisements trying to get people to donate to that.
So right now we're at our entrepreneurship class, which Ms. Hagan teaches about 5 different periods. What's been your favorite part of entrepreneurship so far?
Oh goodness, the favorite part of entrepreneurship I think is we are actually doing real life stuff. We have gone through the whole marketing phase of coming up with a product, creating our product, doing everything to get our product to market. Now we have to advertise our product, so we're trying to get the word out.
What exactly are y'all creating?
So it's a stuffed animal with a heating pad.
Yeah, you can open the Velcro straps, and there's a sack inside with rice, and so you put that into the microwave, and then you put it back, and you just have it in your tummy or something.
Some of us learned how to knit, like Luis and Sophia, the person who's absent.
Sew.
Yeah, and I learned how to sew. Elena taught me, so it really took a lot of creativity to put everything together, and
a lot of teamwork.
And a lot of time, for sure.
Now?
Oh my gosh, that was great.
That was cool.
Photo.
All right, now wave at the camera.
All right, that was, that's my highlight.